Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. So here we are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. So as I have told yesterday, Nifty will be taking a support at the previous day low, which is 16,506, and today there was a gap down, but still the 16,500 levels was not taken out. The previous day low gave some support, and throughout the day there was some bullish moment, and after that there was a range bound market. So let's have a look on the lower time frame for intra. So intraday 15 minutes time frame I have taken. So we can see a very good sideways box formation. So it is again a double top and double bottom format. So what is going to happen here in the box is, so the box has to break in the either side. So what can we expect from this is, so the box can break in either side, but the maximum probability for the box to break is in the downside, because the box has formed in the higher high of the current swing. So what can we expect is, definitely there will be a good downside moment towards this level, which is going to be 16,416 and 16,367 to 350. That will be the levels, and then we have to look for the momentum. So if we get some support here, and that is where the gap will be filled, and if that is getting filled and if we get some good bullish momentum, then definitely that is going to be the 0.382 of Fibonacci. Then again the momentum will start in the upside like this. Only when if we are getting a bullish support at this level and bullish reversals at this level, we can expect an upside moment from here. Else we can test 16,200 and 16,296 and 16,200 levels in going forward sessions. So that is what we can expect in Nifty with this intraday time frame. And if the Nifty is getting broken in the upside, what can we expect is, definitely we can clone this box. That is where the target is lying, which is around 16,877 levels. So the probability of breaking upside is 20%, and the probability for breaking in the downside is 80%. So let's plan the trade and execute the trades. Don't get panicked for the fall. Definitely there will be some good momentum after this small fall. So let's take some good opportunity in the bottom, which is going to be 16,390 levels towards 16,290. These 100 points will be a no trading zone. Wherever we are getting some good bullish reversal signs, then we can go for a good trade in the upside. So we are looking at the Nifty's open interest. In the open interest side, we have a strong resistance at 17,000 levels, which is very high resistance, a high resistance point for this current weekly expiry. And 16,500 has been already like giving a good support. That is why market was able to sustain above 16,500. So the expiry will be like between these levels, 16,500 and 16,700 to 800 levels. Only when the 16,500 is broken, then there can be a small fall towards 16,300 and 200 that can be tested. So if the bullishness is getting stronger at 16,500, then there can be a range bound market, and there can be a small rise towards 16,700 and 16,800. That is all about the open interest. And let's go to the Bank Nifty and have a view on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, the daily price action is very simple. As I have told, like we got a good spinning top after reaching that double bottoms target, which is 36,200, and we got somewhere around 36,083, after which there has been a good spinning top again, which is going to be a confirmation for this candle for a strong, or at least like a small fall. If you go to the lower time frame, that is where we can look for the minor trend. So minor trend is going to be definitely bearish, as we got a good spinning top after a good fall. So if you look at the trend, it is very simple. It has formed a high, low, lower high and lower low. So looking at the trend, definitely the trend can continue towards 35,000, which is this is the first level where we can expect the fall towards, which is going to be 35,100, and there will be a small psychological support towards 35,000, and if that is broken, then we can expect another round of small fall towards this level, which is going to be 34,810. So these are going to be the buying levels for Bank Nifty. 1810, that is where we have a lot of previous resistance. The previous resistance will act as a current support, so definitely we'll be able to see the Bank Nifty towards these levels. If we are unable to grasp the good swing in the downside, just go and change the time frame where you will get a clear view on what is the current trend. So the current trend is very clear in the 1 hour chart. It has formed a low, high, higher low, higher high, and after which forming as high, low, lower high, and lower low. In the before turning down, it gave a clear indication of evening star and started coming down. So this swings target will be ending towards 35,100 and 35,000. So if there is a further fall, definitely we will be getting towards this 34,800 levels. So stay tuned with these levels, and only when there is a bullish reversals, then definitely you can go for a good trade. Let's go for the open interest review. So open interest, looking at the open interest, 36,000 is having a mammoth amount of huge call options return, and it is going to be a strong bear signal for us. That is where it started coming down somewhere around 600 to 700 points. So looking at the current value, current market price, which is 35,487, and a small support is lying at 35,500. If this is getting broken strongly, then what can happen is it is already broken mildly, which is 33 points away from this level with this strike 35,500. But if the fall continues, definitely this 35,000 will be an easy target. And if that is getting cracked, then another 100-200 points, which is 34,800, will be easily touched. So stay tuned. Until then, subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.